Welcome, everybody, back to another video in this wonderful little game called Parkour. Game about, well, parkour. But it's not just a massive hobby. It's parkour. You can jump, vault stuff, all that other stuff, zip lines. There's a grapple hook. And big jumps, and landings, and rollings, and I'm going to give you my version of the basic tutorial. Basic tutorial is easy, but I feel like it misses out on a few things. To start with, we're going to get to the place where we're going to do it. Okay. From main spawn, you're here. Right? Gonna vault out over to this building. That's an optional slide. Long jump over here. Drop down here. Shift before you land to roll. Long jump down here. Shift to land before you roll. We'll come back here later. Just long jump down onto the pile of trash. Pile of my shit. And then we can jump up here. And jump again. Here we are. This is where I like to teach people how to play. Firstly, we have jumps. Run, run, jump. Jump. Jump, jump, and jump. I am simply running and pressing space. Okay? Got it? Okay, I think you got it. That's a vault. We're gonna vault this time over here. Jump back, vault over here, land. Okay, shift before you land, just remember that. Okay, next move we're gonna learn is the kick vault. This is something they don't include in the basic tutorial. Oh, by the way, press shift to slide. Okay. A kick vault is when you start the vault a bit later and it kicks you up higher. Can be used to get to things like this, up here. That normally, if you do a normal vault, well, you can still reach, but you don't go as high. Kick vaults make you go high, but not as far. Bang, 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 jump. Next, we're going to learn wall climbs. Come down onto the floor, shift to land, shift before you hit the ground to land, and wall climb. And when you get to the wall, press space. And then you can press again if you're at the top to grab the wall. Here, now you can't do it while you're falling. You have to be moving up. If you jump, you'll hit the wall climb perfectly like that. And again, you're done. Next, long jumps. Long jumps is where you long jump. You press, typically it's by default control to charge, and if you jump while the little green charge button's active, then you'll do a long jump. And you're at the edge of a block. If you do it when you're in the middle of a block, you'll do a high jump, which can be used for some things, but it's not the most useful. Next is a wall run. Pretty self-explanatory. But you want to press space when you're next to a wall. Yeet. Wall running. You can use that space again to jump off, and you can't use that side yourself again until you touch the ground. See? Nice and easy. Now, this down here is the combo system. It's by doing stuff, you build on your combo. And yeah, you can get up to 5, and some actions remove it. Okay? Okay. Now, I'm going to show you something. This one. So, you can't normally make it up there, but with that move, you can. That is called a string. This is called a basic string. Basic string is not that. That's me dying. Is where you... Fucking hell. Where you do something like this. Let's go onto the floor. Normally, you can't make it up there. But if you wall run in there to reset your wall climb, then you can make it up. See? Since if you jump off the wall with a wall climb, with a wall run, it gives you a little bit of extra height, and then you can still jump wall climb again. See? Just like that. Now another thing you can do is called a face rub. It's where you long jump into the wall, then do it. G works on high, slightly higher. Oh, you can also shift at the very edge of a building and you'll slide down. This one, for say. Let's find a building that we can do it on. Be here. That's a wall climb boost, I'll tell you in the next video. Okay. Normally, you can't make it up. But, that's why they give you this. That's if you're basic. But, instead of doing that, you could also just wall climb. You could also just face rub up here. Very useful. Here, vault. That, I missed my catch. Yeah, it can be hard sometimes. But that's the point of the basic tutorial. You should be able to master all this stuff before I'll teach you. I'll give you my version of the advanced tutorial. This game can be hard, and if you really want to have fun with the game, you're going to have to stick through a bit. I'll give you a quick look around. Firstly, there are a lot of different spawns. You can go all the way down here at Park Site, which is a completely different spawn to the base spawn up here. So we have gear. Gear is important. When you get to level 5, you will get this glove, 120 glove power. You'll slowly get more gloves. I don't have the master glove. I haven't completed the advanced tutorial. So you'll work your way up. Then on you to 300, you get the glove, the Adium glove. Currently I have the Praxis glove, which is 200 glove power. I'm working toward the Prime glove. Up here, point multipliers, which you can spend Robux on to increase your point multipliers. Missions. Wow. Hack settings. That's it. And then backshore chips, so you don't have to do the puzzle. Settings. Mute radios. Party. Save hotkey position. Leaderboards. Load hotkey position. Ranked games. Yeah. Spectate. Spectate players and skins. You get bags. Blocks. Crime. 80s. And a bunch of uncommons. And 3 common. And then I spam this to close everything. That's it. That's the interface tool. Oh, also, once you collect enough points by doing parkour, this button will show up. You hold it for a second, and you'll turn in your points, and you can get levels. If you press R, you'll start to glow. Q is quick turn. E by default is to use your ability. I have the grappler. What does that? And control by default is to charge. If you jump, you can wall run, down, landings. Remember, always stay safe out there, boys and girls and non-binary pals. I will see y'all, I'm not American. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, shift before you hit the ground to land. Bye.